How to record with OBS Studio. That's exactly what I'm going to show you in this video. Stay tuned. What's going on, Rockstar? Jory here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to record with OBS Studio. It's not complicated, but in order for me to do that, we're going to have to jump on over to the PC. So come with me now so I can show you exactly how to do this. Okay, let's say I want to record this screen right now using OBS. Then all I would have to do is just move on down right to here. It says start recording, and it would record this actual section of my screen. I'd have to set it up to do the screen recording, but the button that you would click is start recording. But let me show you the settings for the recording, because you might not know where the file is going to be saved to. So what you would do is you would click on settings and you would head on over to output, then just click on this tab that says recording. And this is currently where I have everything being saved. It's on my F drive, and I've named the folder OBS and recordings. Pretty easy enough, right? And if you want, you can change the recording format of the file that's going to be saved. You can have it saved in either the standard FLV or any of these other file formats that you choose, but I'm gonna leave it in the FLV format. Then just go ahead and hit apply, say okay, and then when you're ready to record, just hit the start recording button and you're all set. And there you go. That wasn't that hard, right? Pretty simple to do. If you like this kind of training and you want to see more of the exact same thing and you're new here, why not consider subscribing to the channel? This way you won't miss any of the video goodness that I make just for you. I'd like to give you my free ultimate live streaming checklist. What it's going to do is walk you through the exact process that I use each and every time I live stream to have a perfect live stream. It's absolutely free. The link will be down in the description below. Thank you so much for being here. I do appreciate it, and I will see you in the next video.